the best way to choose the right dog for you. Dogs are a true companion and offer lots of love and loyalty while being one of kind in their relationship with humans. It's very important for dog owners to learn how to make sure their dog is healthy, cared for, and happy. Continue on and begin your journey to taking care of dogs. Take care to keep your dog cool while traveling during the summer by car. Even with your air conditioning on, the dog may become overheated in his pet carrier. A simple and low-cost countermeasure is freezing a few gallon jugs of water and placing them near him where he can curl up and cool off. Never give your dog a real bone to chew on. Real bones can chip and become lodged in harmful places such as the digestive tract. Rawhide is much safer and also cleans teeth. If you have an outdoor pet, build a shelter for him or buy one that is ready to use. Adverse weather conditions can be detrimental to your pooch, causing illnesses, anxiety and poor behaviors. Keep your dog safe by giving him shelter. When clipping a puppy's toenails, start slow. Introduce your little dog to them before you begin cutting. You may only be able to get a single nail done during a sitting. It could take some time for puppy to become comfortable with the idea of nail clipping, but soon, you will be able to get through it all at once. Many people love owning a dog, in part because of the affection and companionship that it brings to their lives. What any person that wants a dog should do is learn whatever they can about caring for one before they start caring for it. Even if you have a dog already, you need the knowledge you just read. This video will have provided you with a great resource for tips and advice. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.